So this is the Boya BY-V1 mic, and it is great for content creator who use an iPhone or an iPad for recording and creating their content. So this mic is an omnidirectional mic. It has a Type-C charging port, has a 50 meter of wireless transmission capability. It has a 9 hours of battery backup and a lot of other features. So let's open this box and show you exactly what do we get inside. So on opening the box, you will get a user manual and a warranty card. This is the warranty card, but I don't think so it's of any use. Since this product has a 2 years of warranty, this makes this product very great in itself. So it is very simple to use. You don't have to go through the manual, but if you want to, you can certainly do that. So this is the product. This is the Type-C charging cable. This is the mic, and it is a very great device. And this is the receiver. So you have to simply plug in this receiver. It is a Type-C charging receiver, and you need to plug it inside the iPhone or iPad that you're using and simply start using this particular mic. So let me show you how you can use this mic and improve the audio quality of your videos. To connect your mic with your iPhone, you need to simply plug this receiver into the lightning port of your iPhone or your iPad, and once you plug it in, you will see that there is a light blinking on the receiver. After that, what you need to do is simply click on this particular power button of your mic, and there will be a light blinking, and after that this blue light shows that it has paired with your particular mic. So after that you can simply start using this particular mic, and there is a noise cancellation button. As you can see, it is mentioned NR, which means noise reduction. Once you click on it, you will see that the light has turned on green, and it shows that this particular mic is now working on the noise reduction mode. So after you have plugged in the receiver into the lightning port of your iPad or your iPhone, you just need to simply use this mic, and it is this green light means that this is working into the noise reduction mode, and you can simply use this clip on the back. It is a 360-degree rotatable clip. You can simply attach this mic on your collar or wherever you want with the help of this clip. So once you have done that, this mic is good to go. It is a very easy to use device, and this green light shows that the mic is being used in the noise reduction mode. So just to show you how it sounds like without the noise reduction mode on, I'll just turn it off. And once I turn it off, the light turns blue, and you might be noticing a very great difference without the noise reduction mode and now with the noise reduction mode. So this particular mic is a very good option for people who create content, who want to have a budget friendly mic. And in the initial stage, this is a very good mic actually, because it comes in the price range of 2800 to 2900. So this mic is a very good option for people who create content with the help of their iPhone, because with the help of this mic you will be able to ensure that there is no kind of background noise coming into your videos. A lot of people don't actually focus on the audio quality, but it matters a lot. So far I think this mic, I have been using it for a while now. It has been around 7-10 days, and I have not charged it even for a single time. So the battery backup is very amazing, and at the same time, for the price it comes, it is a very value for money product, because in 2900 rupees you will not be able to get a better deal than this. And there are a lot of mics into the market which comes at a price point of somewhere around 8-9,000, and even there are a lot of Rode mics that come, and the price is up to 25-30,000. And for a new creator like me who has just started his YouTube or Instagram journey, it is very difficult to afford a mic of 30,000 rupees. So you can get this, and I can say this for sure that this will get your work done. So if you think this product is useful for you, you can buy it with the help of the link given in the description box below. It will help to support me on my affiliate marketing. And apart from that, if you think there is someone in your friend list for whom this product would be a great choice, then you can simply share this video with them and help them out. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.